Welcome to this masterclass on a book funnel. Have you ever been wondering what is a book funnel and how it can perform other lead magnets? Today I'm going to be taking you through this presentation to help you understand how you can go from an idea to a published author, how you can go about tailoring your plan for your book and your business, and what the next exact steps look like for you to scale fast. Get ready, this is going to be a short, punchy presentation, and I'm going to be sharing with you our systemized approach to helping women entrepreneurs to scale with a book where they are using a book unlike other traditional lead magnets to really build credibility, authority, and really be seen as the expert for their customers. So, a book funnel. Why would you write a book? Well, that is because a book is a beautiful way for you to lead readers into your offer. If you've ever thought about your business and thinking about the need to bring in more leads and followers, then a book is a great asset for you to use in your business. Using a book funnel, we can show you how you can get back to basics, let go of all the overwhelm and all the other strategies, and really have a published and finished product for sale online. We believe a book is such a beautiful asset, especially for a woman in business, because it really creates impact, connects you with your soul, and it really helps you create legacy. So in this slide, we have put together the key 4 elements that we incorporate inside the books when we create the strategy for creating a book for your business. The first thing is we love to map out your legacy scale path. What direction are you looking to move your business into? What niche are you looking to build authority in, and how can you actually think differently in your business to leverage more of the growth and get a bigger piece of the pie. The second is we relook at your offer. Often we find the first most important step that is often left out is you getting really clear on an offer that you can monetize that really sets you up for success at scale. Often we look at your offer and we will redesign this with you so that you can achieve more income, be paid well, and be able to set yourself up for a business that hits your goals. Thirdly, unity. Unity is a way for you to really infuse your essence into your book, to look at how you take a stand for the industry, how you support and are the thought leader in your industry. We help you create your voice and help you really create the positioning so that you can attract like-minded individuals. And most importantly, soul. We want to make sure your book sounds authentically like you. It harnesses all your wisdom. It is structured well. And it is the one signature piece of deep dive content that you can use to grow your business sustainably and bring in leads on autopilot. And you will be doing this really well if you put an effort into your book to infuse your soul and really create compelling content. The pathway we can help you really get clear on is the 3 core steps of creating your book as a lead magnet and how to monetize it. The first, we focus on business strategy. You really want to be looking at this project and this published asset with a strategy mindset. You want to make sure that you've reverse engineered your offer, you have done your research, you've looked at your business strategy, and you're confident that your book will become your legacy lead magnet that will monetize your offers. This is something we support you with in one-to-one business strategy sessions, which are the very first step before you even get to write a thing. Secondly, once you're very clear, you can then start writing your content. You can look at repurposing, creating new content. You can be guided with resources on how to structure your book, how to outline your chapters. You can incorporate some support with AI, and also really get clear on how you can create space and rituals to get your book to become this most compelling piece of content that will be your legacy lead magnet. Once you have got to your first book draft, which we could support you with, or your second book draft where you have infused all the elements, then we start looking at branding and promotion. Branding is such an important part of your book. You really got to think of your book cover being the first thing people see on Amazon, and it is so key that you have an aligned brand. So when you start promoting your book and putting Facebook ads or Amazon ads behind it, it will get traction. You really want to make sure that your branding and promotion is set up well so you can captivate your audiences and call in your clients. The book milestones we love to walk you through is, very firstly, the first stage is looking at gathering. You really want to sort of get into this mindset of just gathering everything you have, looking at all the elements of your business, perhaps repurposing content, videos, courses, and really tuning into how you can create this business to change lives. And your book is one of your assets that helps you do this. The second is weaving. Now, weaving in an amazing, stellar reader experience. You want to make sure that your book is created with a sense of social proof, that it's authentically aligned. You have, evidence in there of how you've worked with clients, and it becomes the most powerful masterpiece that becomes a legacy business asset. Stage 3 is when you excite. So you're out there, you're sharing your lead magnet, creating excitement for your book, building your wait list, and really getting ready to get a pool of warm leads to sell into your next offer. You can already be monetizing your business before your book is even published. Just the fact that you have decided to write a book, that you have created clarity in your business offer, that you have started compiling your stories and gathering all your resources into one asset will simply streamline and create so much clarity for you, so that when you are starting to promote, you will have a very clear offer to sell, and it will start building momentum straight away. I just want to show you what it looks like when you have a book funnel infused in your business. So firstly, the first stage is a business without a book. You can see that it's, it's plodding along, but there's really not much scale happening. Once you infuse a book into your business, we like to call you someone who is elevating to Empress. And Empress is a woman who is really like standing for more and growing a global empire. So in having a book, you are catapulted into an international audience on Amazon. You can now start generating leads around the globe. Your book is bringing in leads on autopilot. And now with the sales strategy and having very clear offer, look at the potential for your business to scale. How this works is there's 4 core parts of this picture. The first is your business strategy, where you've created a new offer that you lead readers into, using your book as an opportunity to warm up your audience. You could also use your book as an opportunity to pivot to a new business, or even pivot from done for you services to done with you services, online coaching, do it yourself. There is such a great opportunity here to use this as a business strategy. Secondly, in creating a book outline, you now have more streamlined content out there. You can record your book, you can create audios of your book. There's so much more repurposing you can do with a book asset. Thirdly, with a book, we support you to create this lead generation system so that your business technology is streamlined. You have an easy one way to gather leads. You know exactly where they are going and how to get them on calls. And you also have an opportunity here to test your audience and inquire what they want from you. And we support you with this as part of the book program, how you can create quizzes and engage your audiences and really make sure that you can reverse engineer your business to sell them what they want. And lastly, once you're published and you're a bestseller, just imagine the new opportunities, how you can shorten your customer journey and really improve conversions to sales. This book funnel is genius, and it, along with the business strategy, is so important because you don't want to be publishing a book just simply to get to bestseller without having that strategy of what is this book doing for my business? How am I monetizing the book? Is my book message right for my offer? Does the book create the first step in the process for my new clients? All of these questions we can help you work through in strategy sessions so that you have a very clear, purposeful book that sells well and sells your offer. So are you ready to sell your offer with a book funnel? I hope this has given you some insights into what it could look like. We love working with women entrepreneurs to create books and launch their business and make sure that they have all the structure, all the clarity to sell and monetize and get paid what they're worth. Thank you so much for your time today. I'm excited that you have taken the time to understand the book funnel, and I'm sure you can see elements of how powerful it can be for your business. I look forward to sharing more, answering your questions, and seeing you on a call so that we can help you and support you to implement this for your own business.